Good morning, Philippines. This is GEM Star News Radio Broadcasting. President Barack Obama met with Republican leaders in Congress. PIR files tax evasion raps versus lawyer rice importer. BOA, Merrill pledged support for Lehman exit plan. Budget Secretary Florencio Butch Abad said he is willing to release $2 billion in judiciary funds. Typhoon Pedring caused damage in establishments, electricity, flashlights. Another Filipino dragon boat team made waves in international waters recently.
International news of the day. For the latest international news of the day, coming in, Mary Joy Amla. President Barack Obama meets with Republican leaders in Congress. The Republicans aren't happy with stimulus plan. Obama says he'll consider their idea.
BIR files tax evasion raps versus lawyer rice importer. The Bureau of Internal Revenue on Thursday filed criminal complaints against a rice importer and a lawyer for tax evasion, as well as a medical practitioner for failing to issue receipts at the Department of Justice. This is Isaac Corpus reporting.
Wait lang. For the foreign news, BOA Merrill pledged support for Lehman exit plan. Lehman Brothers Holding Incorporate unveiled the latest in a string of settlements with major financial creditors. This is Ruby Raymer Arbanan reporting.
We will be right back after commercial break.
Come on, Rose, let's try eat iwi. Iwi? What's iwi? Chicken pot! Oh, winner! And now, we're back to GEM Star News Radio Broadcasting. Obama Congress is deal on debt avert U.S. default. Republicans and Democrats in Congress have reached an agreement with President Barack Obama. This is Christine Estaguman reporting. Another Filipino dragon boat team made waves in international water recently. The PDRT Fireblades on all-men squad captured the gold medal in the 250-meter freestyle event. In the 28th Sabah Sprint International Dragon Boat Race in Singapore recently. This is Sheena Marie Eva reporting for Sports News. Diarrhea cases increasing because of Typhoon Pedring. That causes of the damage, the establishment, electricity, flash floods, wire connection that may causes blackouts. The supply of water was being shortage so that the evacuees had a diarrhea and lack of food supply. DOH advisories that they must boil water in 3 minutes before it's served, and they may also put chlorine to clean the water. I'm Princess Neka A. Domingo reporting. Go.
Are you caught up for world? Join our place by using Nokia cell phones because Nokia touches our lives.
And now we're back. This is Darren Alcantara for weather update. Intertropical convergence zone affecting Visayas and Mindanao, southwestern surface, wind flow affecting western Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and the western section of Luzon will experience mostly cloudy skies with scattered rain showers and thunderstorms. The rest of the country will have partly cloudy skies with isolated rain showers or thunderstorms, mostly in the afternoon or evening. Light moderate winds blowing from the southwest will prevent over the western section of central and southern Luzon and coming from the southwest to the rest of the country. The coastal waters throughout the archipelago will be slight to moderate. And so, this is our weather broadcast news for today.